Value ng token natin. Go to the search area, type the name of your token. Click the token. Here, all you need to do is click sell. As you can see, the amount of token appear here. Next, click here to max out the amount you want to sell. Here the value of your token. Now click sell. Check if that's okay para sa'yo. Then proceed to another step. Click sell again. Now, the order is submitted successfully. We're done selling token. Click assets. We're not done yet. This amount need to transfer. Scroll down, click here, then click USDT. Click transfer. We need to transfer this amount to our funding account. Okay. Click max, then click confirm. Okay, successfully na. Then, back, click asset, click funding. As you can see, we have 10.84 USDT. Kung gusto mo naman mag-withdraw from Bybit to GCash, ay napakasimple lang, go to your home screen. Find P2P Trading, then click P2P Trading. Dito sa P2P Trading, para maging GCash ang USDT natin, we need to sell our USDT. Click Payment Methods. Select GCash. Maghanap ng online seller with minimum value and limit ng USDT. Dapat sakto sa need mo at sa available ng USDT na meron ka now. Kapag nahanap mo na, click sell. Click all, or pwede naman put your desired amount. Pagkatapos mo mailagay yung amount na gusto mo ibenta, click add a payment method again. Hanapin ang GCash, then select GCash. Pagkatapos lagay mo ang iyong GCash number. Tapos click confirm. Lagay mo ang Google Authenticator number mo, pagkatapos lalabas na ang ganto. Before mo i-click ang release button, make sure na received mo na yung GCash money mo sa account mo. After mo ma-confirm na pumasok na sa GCash mo, then click release now. Tapos ganto na lalabas kapag successful yung transaction.